Today I'm going to show you how to do one of my favorite lower body exercises, the famous squat. I know most of you have heard of squats. If you haven't, I'm going to show you how to do them today. The great thing about squats is they target multiple areas of your lower body, specifically your hamstrings, your quads, and your glutes. And they can be easy or they can be super hard depending on how you do them, how much weight you use. So there's lots of modification potential for you to go with as well. So let me show you form first. You're going to want to stand feet shoulder width apart. For body weight only, you can cross your arms, something like this. But the most important part of a squat is how low you get. You're going to want to be aiming for 90 degrees or lower. Slightly lower than 90 degrees is the best. So something like this. And again, this works quads, hamstrings, glutes. And if you want to make it more difficult, you can use dumbbells, kettlebells. I like this one from Brute Force. You just hold it in the middle of your body with both hands. And again. And again, the most important part of a squat is how low you get. You want to aim for 90 degrees or just slightly lower, and it works your quads, hamstrings, glutes, all the parts of your lower body that you really want to target, and you can make them easier or harder depending on the kind of day you're having.